Carshards Auto Group, 5028 Tennessee Capitol Boulevard. We can be reached at 850-284-0656. 2016 Toyota Camry, one owner, slightly over 40,000 miles. Unbelievable price. And this is an XLE, price cheaper than LEs. No accidents, well maintained. As you can see, leather interior, the Bluetooth navigation, 44,000 miles, backup camera. The nice dark gray interior, as you can see, XLE. One owner. Toyota Camry still under factory powertrain. Very nice car. Yeah, 2016 Toyota Camry XLE, Carshards Auto Group. Look forward to seeing you guys.